U.S. District Judge Beryl Howell ordered attorney Evan Corcoran to testify after he invoked attorney-client privilege during a prior grand jury appearance in January and refused to answer investigators' questions about his communications with Trump, according to CNN, The Washington Post, and other media outlets. In a statement, Trump spokesperson Stephen Cheung did not confirm the reports but said, "We will fight the Department of Justice on this front and all others that jeopardize fundamental American rights and values." Trump, who's seeking the Republican nomination for president in 2024, has accused the Justice Department of conducting a witch hunt against him.
Why are there so many narratives? Because we never before have ever indicted a former president. This is unique. It is off the charts, and it's going to get political commentary from both sides. The allies of Donald Trump are going to speak out, and some of his rivals for the Republican nomination are going to hem and haw and say a few slightly critical things. That appears to be what Mr. Pence has done so far. And then on the Democratic side, they're just sitting back and enjoying this. I think that as the case goes on, this can't help Donald Trump overall. It might help him in the primaries by getting his name front and center, but I think the independent voter, who will ultimately decide most elections, is going to be somewhat disturbed. And then the biggest issue here that I think you should focus on is the timing. Donald Trump is almost certain to try to postpone these trials until after the primaries are over. And doing that denies the voters critical information. Is Donald Trump innocent or guilty of a crime? And that can affect many voters' decisions. Donald Trump is going to be in a unique position under a cloud that no other candidate is under, but he's been able to escape difficult positions before, and his core base probably loves him whether or not he committed a misdemeanor. If, however, he's found guilty by multiple courts, he becomes, I think, hopelessly exposed. He's going to have at least 3 different prosecutions within a few months focused on him. That's both going to be a burden, and it's going to be something that gives him this cumulative image of why are all these prosecutors, who are independent, who aren't politicians, why are they all focused on him? And I think the biggest one is not here in New York. It's going to be the federal one involving January 6th. That is an event of historical significance, whereas what he did with Stormy Daniels is not the matter of history.
Special counsel Jack Smith is investigating Trump for the unlawful retention of national defense information at his Florida estate, and he's also investigating whether Trump tried to obstruct the criminal probe. In her ruling, according to the reports, Howell agreed with prosecutors that there were grounds for a crime-fraud exception to attorney-client privilege. If Howell ruled on that basis, it means the judge concluded that the Justice Department has evidence that communications between Trump and Corcoran were used to further or cover up a crime.
The Department of Justice has long recognized that in certain extraordinary cases, it is in the public interest to appoint a special prosecutor to independently manage an investigation and prosecution. Based on recent developments, including the former president's announcement that he is a candidate for president in the next election, and the sitting president's stated intention to be a candidate as well, I have concluded that it is in the public interest to appoint a special counsel. I strongly believe that the normal processes of this department can handle all investigations with integrity. But under the regulations, the extraordinary circumstances here require the appointment of a special counsel for this matter.
Corcoran is a former federal prosecutor who was hired by Trump to help in his defense in the FBI's probe of his alleged mishandling of classified documents. Corcoran helped defend former Trump advisor Steve Bannon in a contempt of Congress case. Trump is facing multiple legal challenges and investigations, including over his alleged efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election and his alleged role in hush money payments to porn star Stormy Daniels. Trump has denied all these allegations.